Alright. Finally. Once again, we're gonna draw another one of my favorite dinosaurs. Another one of my favorite prehistoric animals. Tonight, we're gonna draw Scutasaurus. This prehistoric animal first got his appearance on Walking with Monsters. And furthermore, he also got his first appearance. He first showed up in the debut in the Permian exhibition during Walking with Monsters. One more thing about this guy. Forgive me for that. Anyway, like I've mentioned before, this prehistoric animal was founded in the Permian exhibition in Siberia. Back then, Siberia was a desert. And one more thing, this animal, well, they thrived near anything that provided with anything it needed to survive. This animal is one of my favorites. By the way, I got to meet him in the Museum of Natural History. This gentle giant is a very interesting friend of mine. When I first saw him on Walking with Monsters, I was amazed. They ingest stones to grind vegetation. Another thing about this guy is that he's one of the gentle giants, like Platysaurus. Well, one more thing about him is that they travel in herds. And they are peaceful beings. And complete. That is how you draw Scutasaurus. Let's see what else I can find on this amazing animal. Codenamed as a giant desert herbivore, And its fossil finds were found in Russia. Interesting. And it looks like that these animals were transported to the Museum of Natural History. It's beautiful. Let's see, they're 11.5 feet long and are known as an anapsid reptile. Shield reptile is codenamed. Amazing. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Scutosaurus from Walking with Monsters. One of my favorite animals. I love it. Farewell, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later.